Hi foodies, welcome to Sip Slurp Soups recipes episode number 3. In this episode, we are making a quick and comforting mushroom pea soup. A warm hug in a bowl. Let's get started. Take 200 grams of fresh mushrooms, wash them thoroughly. Peel off the skin and skim the brown edges underneath. Mushrooms are rich in antioxidants and add an earthy aroma that elevates any soup. Once cleaned, slice them and keep aside. Now, in a heavy-bottomed kadai, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. I am using my Bergner tri-ply kadai. Butter not only adds richness, but the fat helps carry the flavors beautifully. You can very well replace it with oil too. Once the butter melts, add a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Garlic is a natural immunity booster and gives a divine aroma as it sizzles with the butter. Next, add half cup of chopped whites of spring onions. These add a mild sweetness and depth to the soup. Saute until translucent. You can substitute with onions if you don't have chopped whites of spring onions. Time to add our sliced mushrooms and 1/4 cup of peas. Peas are protein rich and bring a sweet, vibrant freshness to the soup. Saute well. Add adequate salt and half teaspoon of soy sauce. Soy sauce is added to enhance that umami flavor, making the soup more savory. Mushrooms naturally release water, making the soup juicy. Here I am adding 2.5 cups of rice water. The starchy water I drained after cooking my rice. It's nutrient rich and helps naturally thicken the soup. Alternatively, you can mix 2.5 tablespoons of rice flour or corn flour in water, or you can use also vegetable or chicken broth instead of water to add more flavor. Adding rice flour or corn flour is just to thicken the soup. Let the soup comes to a rolling boil. Add half cup of chopped greens of spring onions for freshness and finish with pepper powder for a gentle kick of spice. And there you have it, a quick cozy mushroom pea soup that's packed with flavor and health benefits. You can just enjoy the soup any time of your day. Sip, slurp and enjoy. Meet you in another video. Until then, bye.